We're cooking a fire meal. Take the powders and throw them on the dish. Poppin', Saren.
It's poppin'.
There we go. Onion powder's open. Pour it onto the burger. Pour it onto the ground beef in a pretty copious amount. And then... Do you have a problem with the word copious, Saren? Flip it on itself. And you gotta mix up the ground beef part too. You can't... Alright, what is that potato?
No, it's the chicken.
Chicken? Oh, what chicken?
Chicken and rice.
Nice strategies. Alright, step one down. Solidify the burger by putting extra weight on it. Onion powder's done. Next is the garlic powder. This is probably my favorite part of the hoisin sauce. You take this up. I like to put on even more of this than the onion powder. You know, you gotta throw it all over. And there you go. And you mix it in again. Step two. Oh, I just split my burger in like a third. Oh no. Alright, mistakes were made, but we're gonna be okay. And then... yeah, people. We'll watch it, Saren. It happens. Get the paprika rolling.
Go viral.
Go viral? Yeah, cooking with Strat. Very famous chef here. Yeah, you throw on the paprika. Tiny bit there. A bit more on the ground beef part, so... but not too much, because it is paprika after all. Thank you. That's a possibility. Because I'm not going to be able to eat all this at once today. Here we go, the paprika's done. Gotta seal on the lid back for it, and we gotta mix everything in again. A freaking again. By flipping our developing burger over. We flatten it again, mix up the ground beef. Now that's done. Yeah, it's the fun part. First off, the soy sauce. Probably one of the two big masterpieces for it. Gotta open it up real quick. There we go. Soy sauce open. And then pour some on the burger first. And then some onto the meat around it. And you let it mix in because it's pan cooked. The extra soy sauce will come around. Meat will absorb it over time. It's very nice. I do enjoy that particular part of cooking on a pan rather than the inside the oven directly. You know, mix it around, get ready. Even do another flip on the burger, which looks horizontal for some reason rather than a circle now, but we'll manage. The last main piece of it's gonna be the hoisin sauce right here. Another great piece of art. Do this. Pour again first onto our burger. And then on to everywhere else. And that's it. That is your ingredients to make ground beef at home.